Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Gemini in Google Workspace for your team. First, make sure you have a Google Workspace admin account. To enable Gemini for your team, you'll need to purchase the Gemini add-on from Google Workspace. Once that's done, head over to the admin console. From there, navigate to Apps and then locate Gemini settings. Now, turn on Gemini for your organization. You can choose to enable it for specific teams or your entire company, depending on your needs. Next, ensure that access to core apps like Gmail, Google Drive, Docs, and Calendar is enabled. This allows Gemini to work across all tools seamlessly. After setup, your team members will see the Gemini icon inside their apps like Gmail and Google Docs. They can start using it to write emails, summarize documents, generate ideas, and manage tasks. Finally, it's a good idea to guide your team on how to use Gemini effectively, like writing clear prompts and reviewing AI-generated content before using it. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.